Alright guys, welcome back to Task Force Off-Road, and today it's finally paint day, so that's it, and I'm really excited about this. Oh, and by the way, just one second. Shout out to JL Life Off-Road for reminding me I had these coveralls in their like Christmas video where they were giving people ideas for Christmas at Walmart to keep the thing super cheap. They mentioned coveralls, and then I was like, I have some of those from when I was in the Marine Corps. I should use those more often. So we're rocking some coveralls today, so I didn't have to go buy a jumpsuit to paint. So I'm gonna clean the garage real fast, hyperspeed this up a little bit, and then yeah, let's get to it. We're painting. Stay tuned.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest...
Alright, so we got our booth all set up. Now I need to start hanging the paint, or hang the parts. So yeah, we'll be painting soon enough. Alright, so as you guys can see, me and Nick are at the booth setup right now. So we're about to cover the floor in water, and we're gonna wax and grease remove everything, tack cloth everything, and then we're gonna start mixing up our paint. So within the next 20 minutes, we should be painting. Yeah, I couldn't find 2 buckets of water, so Necto is doing that, and I'm gonna start wax and grease removing everything. And after that, we'll tack cloth it to get anything from these normal paper towels. I couldn't find anything better. Off after we tack cloth, we should be good to go. I'm kind of excited. My paint booth came out great.
Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too.
Alright, everything is all waxed and grease removed. We need 1 more bucket of water. We can spread it around with a broom and then tack cloth everything down, and we can start laying in some paint. I'm super excited right now. This is awesome. We're gonna do most of that stuff besides paint prep, or besides paint mixing, off camera. I might put tack cloth in it, but for right now, I'm gonna end this clip. Darkness code number 7, I believe. And this guy reduces down at a 1-to-1. So in other words, a quart make a half gallon make a so on and so forth. All right. Let that strain through, and then we're gonna add some activator. That's the next step. We're gonna tack cloth, and then we're gonna lay some paint in, and I'm petrified, so let's do it. It's gonna be fun. First things first, tack cloth.
something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropical.
Okay guys, so it's been a couple weeks since I painted. Yeah, good news, bad news on the paint. So if you look at the inner fender, like the backside, this thing came out awesome. Notice the backside, because I didn't use an adhesion promoter for aluminum. I didn't know I had to use an adhesion promoter for aluminum. I just primered and then I put trim black on it. So yeah, she peeled up pretty good. So bright side, they're fender liners. I don't care what they look like. I'm gonna sand all the rest of that paint off, and I'm just gonna bed line it and call it a day, because the bed liner shouldn't have a problem adhering to the aluminum. So that's easy solution there. The other one over here did the same thing, just not as bad. I'm pulling the second light out because we're in the basement. So here is now we can see how the fenders did. The fenders came out really freaking good, especially just primer right now. They're gonna get color matched, but like, the fenders came out great. I need to wet sand them now that I waited so long. However, I had one problem with the fenders. So right here, I didn't get enough paint down in this corner. So I bought a little rattle can primer, and I'm just gonna touch that up there. And I got 2 little runs in the fender right there. But super easy. I can wet sand those out, and I'll be back to painting. I have very high hopes for the result of these fenders. I'm super stoked about it, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one, or the next episode of the painting series, to see how these things come out. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate the likes, because that, you know, helps other people see the video. The way the YouTube algorithm works, people, they don't recommend it unless people like the video. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. I really appreciate it, and we finally got the bumpers back on. This is way in the future, so like in a couple days I'm gonna be releasing another video fixing the bumpers and tire grade and all that stuff. So a lot of progress has been made in a very short period of time. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be. All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right.